Good evening, one and all. Today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A10e, which is the cheaper of the Galaxy family, as you can tell. This is by Boost Mobile, and I got this phone for at price under $60 with free shipping, but then of course taxes. And also there was another sale going on for the season, so I got this phone at a pretty good price. See if I can't just adjust this here. Alright, that's looking a lot better. And I'm very excited about this. Oh, they put the tamper-proof thing on it, so I gotta get something to cut that off. I know, the most professional unboxing you've ever seen in your life, isn't it? Here's an idea. There we go. And I'm getting this phone to change from the Motorola E5 Plus because that phone has some technical difficulties. One thing that really stands out to me about the E5 Plus is that it has slow Bluetooth connectivity, which is why I went ahead. Oh, this also has one of these things. Okay, which is why I went ahead and got a different phone. I got a cheaper phone in the event that I don't like it. I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it, but this is the safety terms and conditions manual. This is the lovely USB. The new USB-C, and the cord, and the key, the SIM card key, which I notice is a very new trend now, and of course the phone itself. It's it's smaller. This is probably one of the smaller phones that I've ever had, that I plan on keeping for a long time. So let's boot this up, because we don't know what's going to happen until we start it up. Oh, vibrate. Alright. Yeah, I'm an Android. Well, a droid, to be. For those of you who know, like, how words work and what they mean, there's Android and there's Gyno-droid. And I guess to be gender neutral, you just wouldn't put the an or gyno in front of it. Now, this is my first Samsung in quite a few years, and my last Samsung experience was, that just left a bad taste in my mouth. I had one of the keyboard phones back when that was a thing, and the interface was not friendly at all. And it was just more difficult about some things than it had to be. But what I can say is I like this thing up here, and I definitely like. Yeah, whoa, it vibrated again. Oh, maybe I triggered something. And it has a Samsung on the back. It has the camera. I also intentionally got a phone that doesn't have the fingerprint thing, because the fingerprint thing on the Moto E5 that I have now didn't even work. So I was like, I just don't want it there to just as a function, but it might have a built-in fingerprint thing. But you know what? It all remains to be seen. That's the end of this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.